attaching the base, the final step. So we've got to make sure we do this correctly, guys. First of all, plywood always has a rough side and a good side. If I were you, I'd put the good side inside your box. And make sure when you're doing this that it doesn't slip while you're doing it, because it shouldn't stick out past the edges. So you can just line it up, even by eye is fine, just to kind of just feel it all the way around. If you want to, you can get a ruler and get it absolutely perfect. But this is what I want you to remember about this. When we nail on the base, hopefully you can see exactly where I'm pointing here. The nails here, if we put a nail right in the corner here, it's going to hit the nails here. So we don't want to go anywhere here for about the first 50 millimeters on each of the sides, here and here. Now down this bit is okay, because the nails don't go this way, they come that way. So just think about where the other nails are before you start popping the nails in. Now we want to go about 10 millimeters in from the edge of the wooden pine part, not the plywood part, so we can get our combination square or ruler and measure in, and it will give us a spot on the plywood, which is about here. Just get some lead going, just double check that. Slightly further back, it's actually here, like this. Now you can mark in every nail hole if you want to, or you can get a good line on it and just do it by eye. I'll leave that up to you to do. But we want to start off, when everything's lined up, we're going to put one nail in. No more than one. Now these smaller nails here are a bit tricky to get started. They're hard to hold. So we're just going to be really gentle. Be patient and get it to this stage here. Then fingers out the way and tap the nail home. Okay, lovely stuff. Oh, how noisy. Now, once we've got one nail in, I then want you to do the opposite corner over here, because that is going to stop this from moving over. Can you see, whilst I was hammering, this edge here has moved out. Let's just move it over so you can definitely see. This edge here is actually pushed forward a bit, kind of like that, yeah? We don't want that, so just realign everything after you put your first nail in. Okay, double check, it's still not sticking out anywhere. And then we're going to go ahead and put this nail in here. So I'm going to mark a location over here. That looks good to me. Now on this one, I'm just going to drill a really small starter hole. You don't have to do this, but it might help you, especially if you're bending nails over. So I'll show you that. I'm still going to hold the nail in position and get it started. Now watch for it moving. Wonderful. That's our base properly located. If it's not right at this stage, take the nails out again as best you can and readjust it. You've got to get this bit right. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to put 4 nails in on each side and 2 in the shorter sides. Even 1 would be fine, to be honest with you. But let's just go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to turn my box this way so I can see the line of the nails, and I'm just going to roughly guess at where the nails should go. You can, of course, measure this if you want to. So we'll make that 5 nails then. Make sure I've avoided the 50 mil. One over here. Oh, it's my favourite bit, smashing the nails in. Come on, John T, let's go. So that's the base on, all the nails are in. Just make sure you've gone round and made sure all the nails are fully down. You definitely want them to go all the way down, okay? Otherwise it will scratch whatever surface you put it on. So that's it. Well done. Just one more video to go.